Where does the name for Nant-y-Gamar come from? So today I'm in Nant-y-Gamar. It's a small settlement just outside Llandudno in Conwy County. So the name is made of three parts. First we have Nant, which comes from Proto-Celtic Nantos, and it means a stream or a small river, usually with high steep slopes on either side. Means the, and then we have Gamar. Now, Gamar gave me quite a lot of trouble trying to work out what it meant because it looks like a soft mutated version of a word Camar, but I couldn't find that anywhere at all. After loads of research, I found out it's a dialectal form of a longer word, which was Cam-Eru. Now, Cam-Eru means cam, which means crooked or bent, and then Eru is an area of land a bit like an acre in Old Welsh. So together it makes Cam-Eru. Now, over time, that U at the end was dropped, so it became Camer, and then in the local dialect, a final E sometimes becomes an A, so it became Camar, which then was soft mutated because it's a female noun, and it became Gamar, so Nant-y-Gamar. So the name literally means the stream of the bent or crooked acre. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and sometimes a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.